Take a look at this. Warm milk, a large egg, unsalted butter melted, the flour, now knead. Next item is to knead for about 8 to 10 minutes until it starts to pull apart from the bowl. See the speck? That is cardamom. I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let it rise for about 1 hour before putting it in the oven. I'm going to put it in the oven for 20 minutes or so, at least till it's brown. Okay. Next will be to make the topping. This is 8 ounces of cream cheese. This is about 55 grams of butter. Take a look at this. And this goes on top of it. I think I did well. And I'm pretty sure it tastes good. Unfortunately, I'm going to give it out, so I don't want to mess up the nice rose of cinnamon. Nice.